Hi, Professor Gaynor. So this is our last final week. It was a pleasure of taking your class. So as our final check-in, I just want to say that so far I feel like I progressed a whole lot talking to my TMA, which is Suma, which you'll be reading about on the presentation and on the final written report. Um, also, knowing that my project is so big and obviously I can't finish it in 6 weeks because there's so much to do, but the foundation of itself, I felt like I did okay. Talking to people that I need to speak to, going where I should do it at. So as my final thought, doing it in the school will be the best idea compared to trying to open it in an actual building where I need to pay for rent and stuff like that, and not knowing exactly how everything will turn out to be at the end. So doing it this way will be better, and also it will be better for the community as well. I feel like it will be like more like home type of thing, and pretty sure that the parents will love it as well. And then um, also I talked about my how I will pay for dance and stuff like that, like what I would charge for the kids and the parents. So doing $20 a month, and they could choose as many dances they want. They don't have to choose just one because, as you know, a lot of dance companies, they only charge $35 a month and you can only do one type of dance. So doing $20 a month and you could do how many dances you want, I think is pretty good, pretty fair. And to help also for the parents to have a great lifestyle, doing $5 or $10 a month for dance, like for Zumba or kickboxing, I think will be great as well. So this is basically a little update of how things are, and that's about it. So I hope everything works out and have a nice day. Thank you.